check on my. This is my bike check on my Verde Modest. Well, the frame's a Modest. Start up at the front. I have kink push-in bar ends with Delta grips and Lynx bars, H125 rise, 28.5 width, with a black nitrous trap stem that I drilled into and all that crap because I felt like it. I got kink Empire forks with a stolen revolver, complete wheel with demolition momentum tires, 2.2 tan wall. For a headset, I have a Sputnik, if you can see that. And my frame is the Verde Modest. I bought it off Dance Comp. My cranks are the Mission Process 48 spline cranks with an Eastern bottom bracket and Animal Hamilton purple pedals. I have an Eastern Medusa sprocket and a KMT chain. Then my seat changes a lot, but this is what it is right now. It's an Eastern Letters pivotal seat, and I only have it on because it's padded. Usually I have a shadow one on, but that hurts. Stolen revolver, complete wheel in the back with a revolver hub. Got demolition momentum tires, front and back. And I have a Gland hub guard on there. I don't know why. It's just G-Sport on there. I just have it on there because I feel like it. And that is my bike check. And I am going to go off that awesome picnic table jump right now. So, wait until I get ready. I'm getting ready. Setting up my iPhone. See that jump? That is the jump I'm going to go on. On my 18-pound bike. And that is my bike check.